Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Witches, Bats, and Papercrafts video. Today I have another fun layered papercraft for you. This is my skull candy layered papercraft. I just love the skull so much, the little basket. It's just so much fun and so Halloween. You have the fun treats kind of sticking out of the pail and some fun fire around the edges too, just to make it a little bit more spooky because hey, it's Halloween. This one is really fast and really easy to put together, and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any paper crafting fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For this project, you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, a weeding tool, scraper, brayer, glue and adhesive, foam squares if you want to add dimension between the different layers, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Witches, Bats, and Papercrafts 2025. If you're watching this video during the event, you can find the download button on the event page. If you're watching this after the event has finished, you can purchase the individual cut file in my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com, or if you're interested in all event files, commercial licensing, printable worksheets, and bonus cut files, make sure to check out the VIP Access Pass. Links for both of these options will be in the video description below. No matter how you download the file, make sure to download the zip file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we'll be ready to open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer. Click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Resize the design. And you can see that the project has been brought into our canvas. Now I've sized this design to fit within the cutting dimensions of the 12x12 cutting mat, so it's just about 11 inches wide. Now if you're going to be using this on a card or in a shadow box or for whatever reason, you can change the size by using the sizing window. Just make sure to leave the proportions locked so you don't distort that design at all. I'm going to go ahead and click Make. And you can see the mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your project. Okay, so I have everything all cut out. It's time to go ahead and start to assemble. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer these different pieces together. But from back to front, you're going to start with black, orange, blue, red, green, and then gray. You can also cut this out in white if you want to make that skull to look like bone, but I chose to do gray. Now you can add foam squares to this. I would actually say that you could probably get away with adding foam squares to everything except for this black layer, but I'm just going to glue everything together. I'm going to speed up the video just a little bit while I do that, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all done. And there we go. Our fun layered paper craft is all set. What did you think of this one? Isn't it just so cute? Like I said, I love that little skull. It's just really fun to put together. If you make this project, I hope that you share it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Witches, Bats, and Paper Crafts video. Bye-bye.